Hey guys, this is Adam, and this is my first video ever. Like recording myself while talking in the background. Basically, what I was thinking about doing is live streaming my trades and sharing my time with you guys. But honestly, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be able to do it every single day and stay consistent with it. So for now, we will be sticking with the idea of the recorded trades and having some voice commentary in the background. So you'll enjoy my voice anyways. Many people said that my voice is really, really good. I don't believe that shit. Anyways, that trade was framed on the idea of a 15-minute inversion free value gap that was outlined in the orange box that you see here. The stop loss was placed above the swing high with one tick, and the take profit was placed to target the opposing liquidity. But that was the best case scenario, honestly. I was too demanding. You can see the buy limit order just right above the daily CB low. And by the way, for clarity's sake, this trade was taken on a paper trading account with TradingView. So I'm not enticing you or pushing you to do anything with your life funds. I'm not a financial advisor. And I just hang out with InQ every once in a while, and you're welcome to watch. And one more thing, this is not my stuff. I did not invent it. I just learned from Inner Circuit Trader, ICT. You should find everything on his YouTube channel. So basically, if I take a loss, I take a loss. I own it. If I ruin it, if I mess it up, it's my fault. And if it works, that's perfect, right? When I first entered the trade, I entered with 6 contracts, but then that was a mistake. I realized that I was too over leveraging, so I had to take 3 off and go with the remaining 3 because I'm using a 10K account, and my risk model should not exceed more than 1% per trade. Here I was looking at the dollar index and the S&P and the Dow. Basically, if the dollar index is going up, the stock market and the indices should be going down. And I'm just looking at the ES and the Dow to see if all of the 3 averages are in line. You might be in this trade looking at that and shitting your pants. If I'm right, this area should act as not immediate frame balance. It should act as a balanced price range. So we should be seeing it delivering lower prices. the fair value gap that you see me coloring in pink, that should stay open and it should not be filled. We don't want to see it trade above. So far it looks so good. And that's me being lazy. Instead of drawing a new rectangle, I just decided to go with the first one. We're looking to see if it's gonna tap the lower end of it, maybe touch the consequent encroachment and roll over all the way down. Didn't even go back to it. That's super nice. And since this is the first week of the month, which is NFP, non-farm payroll, so we will only be trading Monday, Tuesday, and we should be done by Wednesday morning. These are the rules, sir. I like the immediate rebalance. I did not invent it. He said that its name is immediate rebalance. This is called immediate rebalance. He has everything in his YouTube channel. Literally everything you need. And as a personal recommendation, I'd say the 2024 mentorship is my favorite. Come on. Here we have that little tiny fair value gap. We want to see it deliver lower prices. And hopefully respect the order block or the wick, the consequent encroachment of the order block's wicks. Looks awesome, doesn't it? Now you'll see it edging my limit order. It was teasing it. I'm expecting that busy to act as an inversion value gap. So we want to see it trade back to it, leave it, and go all the way down. That's me trailing my stop loss above the high because we don't want to trade it. We don't want to see it trade above. And here we go. Is it gonna do it now? Come on. Come on. Boom. Awesome. Stop losses trailed one more time to be one tick above the high of the inversion for the fair value gap. Anyways, you're gonna see it stop me out in profit, so that's okay. We've already taken partials, and if I got stopped out, that's fine. That's the name of the game. Really, really big move this morning. You see that take profit order, that limit order. I was so optimistic. I was delusional. I'm sorry. That's not optimism. That's me being delusional. And I was not paying attention that we only have 14 minutes or 15 minutes to be done with the day. See how the bodies respect the daily SIBI low. This in itself indicates that it's not willing to move any lower. Here I was measuring the 50% of the wick to see if you can get a reaction. And initially that was a nice reaction, then we tapped into the low of the inversion fair value gap. Was expecting it to leave immediately and take out the lowest low that was formed. And you will see me here get stopped out. And pretty much that was it. I really had fun talking to you, and I promise I try to figure it out and see what I can do to be consistent with making videos, and if I have enough time in the near future, I'll be live streaming and I'll let you all know on X. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you have a great day. Bye bye.